All world quotes.
I really miss my youth. I'm not being ungrateful, but there was an Atif who used to roam the streets, who didn't care whether his photograph was taken or not, who used to hang out without people staring at him. I miss that carefree life and would give anything for it, even if it only lasts a few moments. You are thinking about the music, about the mathematics of it. It's time-consuming and energy-consuming at the same time. That's why I take my time off, my family time, as inspirational. I cool off. Yes, I think I am like the sea. I appear calm on the surface, but there's a lot going on within. Many a times, I may not react to certain things, but that doesn't mean that I don't care or I don't have emotions. I didn't have to express myself to anybody, I would just sing. And most of the times, when I initially used to sing, I used to get scared of my own voice. I'm not inspired by anyone. I don't have any idol. I just follow the people around me and try and learn a few things. Talent should always be recognized, no one can keep it, no one owns it. The industry can choose to ignore my work if they want, but my fans won't. Insecure people don't stage comebacks, since they don't leave the scene. I really enjoyed performing there. Dubai is a very rocking place. Music is something that should give you peace. Thank you for watching.